Anyway, a lot they happen for the country Nigeria, so we'll just try to see if we highlight few of them. I don't know, one of the hottest topic that when Nigeria don't find way to take through their self-enter and this
Ibori matter.
You get me? Like, really. Now, Abacha would always just say they return in loot back to back. But that Ibori kind of like come as a surprise because first of all, they are alive. You get me? Then to come here say United Kingdom want return money when he lose when he is state governor. They kind of like shocking. And the one we can't do shocking pass now the first federal government they talk say where if lose but not be there the money they go. Say if they come federal government use not take federal project.
The same project when they go use Abacha
lose too. So I don't first of all I want the government, but I think I always ask the wrong people the wait, when that bridge want to finish?
That bridge no finish.
What?
No, what you want? The bridge not finish. He get what they want to do for Delta State, Sapele side, whatever.
Yes.
Since in the 70s. You don't know how the bridge want to finish. If you finish, how do you take the
chop more money?
Yeah.
They don't finish. Lagos Ibadan Expressway, they don't start since Obasanjo be president.
They never.
Till 1990 today, they say they do Lagos Ibadan Expressway. Now more they don't spend good there. Just like people come tell me say go reach one time for Nigeria, lights go dey constant. How?
No, it's not possible.
Because people they say generator
Right
for them to sabotage them at the top and all those things. So some things don't even bother yourself. If we really serious, why would they talk about Speaker Nigeria Bridge and all those stuff? Until there's what don't do sense. So more will forget that matter. But this is body own.
Yeah.
Person take money for somebody's house, carry and go somewhere else, then catch her, then jail her. He serve jail time, he can't come back. In the first place, I'm not even surprised that the money come back because what he make the jail am for UK? Now money laundering.
Yeah.
The money come from somewhere. Where? Delta State Post. That be the chief executive that time. Now they want to turn the money, he send the federal government money. How? How the money take the federal government money? My own way, the only way I go talk they say, may they not give the money to the state government. May they ask the states wetin una need.
You can use the money be that.
Then make them use the money, do one on behalf of the state. For instance, if the state say we need world-class hospital, we need more roads, we need more schools, may federal government do the project on behalf of the state, inside the state. To tell us say one carry the 4.something million pounds of Ibori money, go do Niger Bridge and all those, it don't make any sense. The money don't be federal government money, na Delta State government money. But if you say okay, we not trust you now because when we give you the first time, the government of Tifa, and when they even arrest Ibori for
4.2 million pounds now how much for Nigeria?
Your
phone calculator.
More just do am by 500 naira, even to say pounds don't pass 500.
Yeah, no, it don't pass.
So more say
4.2 something now.
So 4.2 times 500. That's 2.1 billion.
2.1 billion. That one will go as far to arrange better project for
2.1 billion. Yeah. So now if you come to say the money now. So
okay, what if this money not come? They don't complete the right
exactly the question.
So the question why you
because everybody got if the money.
So why be sending money when they return? Whether being looted or not, then they put for that.
Meanwhile, the time where Abacha loot come.
Yeah.
Federal government say they want to poor states for the north. When the one for the other states come, they say they want to do Niger Bridge. So I know. Well, Delta State government, if they get see the what they will do, they just cut straight.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, they will cut now.
So Delta State fees sue federal.
Yes, now they fit sue for the money.
I take the money for the money now.
Because when they first arrest Ibori for Kaduna, they can't put about 101 charges on his head. Good, but they can't say okay in terms of jurisdiction, where he take the money or where they accuse them when he commit the crime at Delta State, so they can't move the case to Delta State. Can't try the case for Asaba. Just say nobody know what's in the judge chop that day because now only 1 hour I take the judge to handle the case. He throw out all the 101 charges. Now never before they talk say so Delta State they say the man no take the money until UK government go arrest her for Dubai, fly and go UK stand trial. The point is say not be the Delta State people come out tell you say the man no collect money. Now one court and one judge and talks. But the point is say UK go help us catch her, collect the money. The money come from somewhere. Give am back to the person. In terms of jurisdiction, no, the money belong to Delta State. Make government stop this way they do.
And you get another point where we say the strings that they make this money. He talks say when these Oyibo people they say they bring this money. Why they don't raise this alarm then? When they see they say they bring this money come their own
because
country.
God, you know if you tell me say like all this politicians won't know say they carry money come on currently now. You know if you tell me now say you no get UK government, all this country government not there where say this people they bring money come. Where be legal come there. Why they not they quit talk at that moment? Okay, no, we don't want to carry go back. Oh, this why don't they talk at that time? Why they wait?
You know, see, you know say Ibori what problem starts when he leave as governor. So when person still get immunity, what's he want? If a sitting governor now they push money go UK, then say they come, they're gonna target the money, they can leave the money there. You know if you do anything, get immunity. When he come out as governor, now that you go come they say now this person take money put here. You understand? So he get immunity and for Nigeria once you be governor, deputy governor, you get immunity. They don't feel persecuted. So if you bring money, you don't even get right to hold the money because he gets immunity. You know he put any charge. So they go just monitor the money, say the money they there. And also they get sense.
Because the money they benefit their
the money they born pikin.
For
you understand? But
the bank don't say worry, they don't return the pikin come.
And then the bank they use the money, they do business. So imagine a governor where they thief for beginning 4 years, they put money there. The bank go they pay salaries, they improve their economy. When the man don't come out, they say that the big catch and no get immunity, they'll come begin to say, okay, this person steal money and all that. Now the matter with that, so they not just rush, okay. Because if you don't put $1 million, then rush go on. The remaining 3 you won't put. They don't put that again. The bank no go benefit, their economy no benefit. The way they put enough. When you don't stop to put because when they for tip and you don't come out as governor, okay, now you bring money come here. So they'll drag the matter for some years. They will see they use the money they trade. When you don't return that, the money you don't even born more picking past the original.
So wait, so if you
so last they borrow money take bring their economy.
So if you thief money now, as part okay, I dey in power. If I take money, go put it there for inside bank. Bank no go ask me any question.
I know, you be governor. You know what the governor do for Nigeria? Governor na emperor now.
They're not good.
For Nigeria, governors na emperors, Lady J. You know they talk about the emperors for Greece, for Rome. Now so the governors of Nigeria have been now. You find governor when they come out money say na security vote, nobody know how much.
That one of the biggest issues where
anyway, because I see other countries and they fit even if you dey power, then they fit call you to order, they fit you know.
Example, the perfect example, see governor of New York now, Andrew Cuomo, I don't think he name. Now they don't set up panel where investigate whether Ingo resign. Why? Because somebody accused as sexually abused her.
Not even money or sexual.
Accused say sexually. The man say, though he say no go resign, but they don't set up panel. Some people don't even start. They even get process to recall the governor. They don't start process of getting about they want about more than 10,000 some number of signatures. If they get that number of signatures, they go return the governor. Somebody. So the plan that the governor will not survive. That one a sitting governor. Nothing like immunity. If somebody tell you don't say you sexually abused and they go investigate. But for Nigeria here, you know if you do anything for governor till you come out.
That's right.
Now our laws.
We're not far from us really.
Well, law wey talk say make governor they collect money for security vote, don't talk how much it would be.
I bet you get another bad time. We just see if we rush some people when
this one bad boss. Now between the Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai and Ayo Shogunro. I don't know if you don't know about that.
They make noise.
So you get one picture with that guy put, you know, of one highway. He's saying that the make a put on the way it be. He say this destruction of public infrastructure and a crime under the Miscellaneous Offence Act. He said the vandals with the masqueraders aggrieved youth. He put picture of how the road, the highway.
You know, say speed bump, they hide, they put cement, quota on top quota. Now, the speed bump they do, they break and create like small gutter.
As drainage. So maybe when rain fall.
And remember to also they slow down when
So now the guy can't post the picture. He can't tell governor of Kaduna State, say in hope. Say when he see this, he will take immediate action before the village people go damage the road more and more. So now then the governor can tell and say the destruction of public infrastructure and a crime under the Miscellaneous Offences Act. Say the vandals where the masqueraders are aggrieved youth, they don't arrest them and they go vigorously persecute them. So the guy can't respond back to him. He can't talk say say it is fine if your government wants to jail everyone, but you should understand that not all social problems will involve jailing, fining and banning. Say sometimes creative solution like putting a proper speed bump on the road is all that is needed to resolve the issue. Now still El-Rufai tackle the guy again. He can't talk say Mr. Populist Ayo Shogunro. He said when you are elected governor, you can apply your shallow but innovative solution in response to conduct of vandal and sundry criminal in Kaduna State. He said till May 29, 2023, Inshallah, I have the mandate of 1.1 million voters to enforce the law of the land.
I don't understand. Why the governor they talk like no go school now? No, I mean the guy tell you say see what people do for road for something where they do speed bump. Say but hope say you notice make they no come damage more things. You can't say next thing they talk about say they go vigorously arrested. But you didn't negotiate with bandits now. So na person wey spoil ordinary speed bump, you go talk say okay those people will go look for solution to tell them say okay make dem no do am again. No be every offence be we go vigorously. Then the guy come tell you say oga the guy dey handle things, no be everything be you know see they talk say you get the mandate. Who dey drag your mandate with you? All these governors dey forget say the fact say you be governor no mean say you no pass everybody na. No, you be governor no mean say you no pass everybody. You understand?
Yeah.
You be governor no mean say you no pass. I mean, Donald Trump na president now, but at the end of the day, impeach him 2 times. You know me say you don't pass everybody.
Why would they do all these comparisons of time with all those other people?
No, you know what? Now the thing is, you know, say I mean the biggest position anybody go hold anywhere for this one now to be president of the US. Yet the guy mess up, he lose election finally. They impeach him 2 times because he always feel like say he know too much. The fact say he be governor no mean say you no pass everybody. You go take advice. Me I no see where all the fire and brimstone of they go jail you go vigorously do this for speed bump. Meanwhile,
not for the safety of the people where they
that made them call that agree because they dey concerned say the way more to the street for them because where people
exactly so you don't address their grievances. Which one be the strategy?
But I understand say truly the way they take dig separate the road really
they really bad.
It dey bad we agree but I think the way the
response
they not balance.
Even like when they take hammer they kill ants. I don't understand.
You dey spoil the ground.
Meanwhile na you say you thought say you been pay some herdsmen one time make dem no kill people for Kaduna and pay and dem bandits. You dey pay those people money una dey negotiate with bandits and meanwhile just ordinary road matter make the governor go stay one corner join.
Sharp before we move to the next one this story just e dey trend right now and e dey make twitter dey go crazy. They say one 97-year-old woman who according to reports say they violently rape her inside for her house. For Kadaka, Fika local government area of Yobe State, don yarn say she never even do chichoyo for 40 years until this violent rape happened. Na old man, 97 years. So until this violent rape actually come happen. Now during when the state criminal investigation during when she dey yarn with newsmen for the state criminal investigation department for Damaturu, the state capital, the woman who be the victim come here and say her rapist na 35-year-old Mohammed Farouk and say this guy burst in enter her house for February for 2021 and violently rape her, that is by force doing. And also apart from raping her, this same guy also beat her up as he break 2 of her teeth before he even
almost
finish before he even carry out the rape matter. No. You know, the spokesperson of the state police command, Dungos Abdulkarim, actually confirmed this matter as he has the suspect since then don't confess it truly he do this crime and he don't dey arraigned before a magistrate court where he dey ordered to remain for police custody for the now. You know, I dey try imagine why young guy like 37 because you need to first look the age when he dey 97 years. First of all, whether he met.
Now the question
maybe
no. If they're not telling you,
I think this now mental problem.
Wait, now one of 2 things. If not be saying that for ritual purposes. Because some people say go sleep with old woman or want to find old woman.
You get money. You know they gullible for this part of the world.
If not be for ritual purposes, then the guy mentally
not do alright.
Something now that kind of one they will talk for Christians go say he dey possessed because a normal guy.
No way would think.
What you want?
97 years old. 97 years old.
And then you don't get human feeling.
And then to tell you how he bad rich. Normally, if normal guy, a 25-year-old guy wants to sleep with a normal 22, 23-year-old girlfriend. If the girl no dey in the mood and the body never even ready,
there's a problem.
You no go even fit because you go enjoy yourself.
Yes, steadily.
You understand? Because you get process your body go through before you go feel enjoy it. To forcefully enter. And so you go come imagine
as somebody wey don dey on a low for over 40 years.
The trauma wey she don go through. So young ladies, young girls, even ladies, I don't talk with some of them. We don't go through this issue of rape. and I know how traumatized them be. Some now like 10 years ago this thing happened, 20 years, 30 years, and that the trauma still there.
Especially when never seek for therapy.
Yes, and then it can't be old woman,
97
years old.
They need to first check the mental health of that guy. Ask a lot of questions.
Because not everybody gets strong mind. Some of us get strong mind because some of us they traumatize us when we young.
We don't use by force.
But we some artists traumatize us. But
no,
what would they
but we know they create enough awareness around that.
When we boys, when we young, some antiques take advantage of us now.
Not be saying they use us, and they
traumatize us. But when we grow up,
we take ourselves, we enjoy, we be back. But may I shock you? You know that in a long way they affect your mental state. Like I know how it affect me, and I know how it fight and take common because at a certain stage I dey look for older women. I don't want. No, let's be sincere.
Can't they like older women?
I not be saying I think how many older people when I did. There is senior me like 10 years. Like when I don't come of age to actually date and friend with them. Because that small picking age like okay, now so it's supposed to be. So you continue with that mentality until you later realize say you need help and you seek for that help.
We need to really check because so many young boys like
and then molest them all.
And take care of us. So this thing dey rampant everywhere. And the one we
call come stay with auntie and they go market and you know say the auntie not get boyfriend, you not get anybody for the rest.
I remember one little boy like that. At the age of 6, one day when my mom won't come out, now he come dey cry say
you don't want to stay with auntie.
Say you want to stay with your auntie, and I say no mommy, I don't want to stay with that auntie. It can't dey unusual for this boy to dey cry say no one day with this auntie. What happened? She said, he can't say every time you go away, she will say, I want to teach you how to be a man.
Come and lick ice cream.
I want to teach, so say she will come out all her cloth, come carry him, put on top herself. And when he started to cry, he said, no, don't cry. I'm teaching you how to be a man.
Can you imagine?
The woman shocked.
You as a father and mother, now you did the best position to take care of your children. That's to be it man or woman. Like seriously, you know, with the age right now when you able to trust your brother, your sister, your uncle with your pikin. Let's be sincere. The best if you do, if you afford CCTV camera, make sure you put up for your house. Very important. Very, very important. Now, Chacha, before we come on, I don't know. You know, yesterday Negi announced to us saying he don't buy the house. Congratulations to her. I know say some as well say do the announcements. Some people must misbehave. The next thing, I auntie Katrina 2 weeks into Big Brother house when come out. Not be my bestie. We only they talk sometimes. The next thing, I bought my home with my hard-earned money before Big Brother Naija. No comparison whatsoever. First of all, who asked you? Then after that, you know, say certainly, then the people will certainly drag her. Then they start to drag her. The next thing, you can't tweet again. While you are busy dragging me, hope you all know social media apps are developed on servers. Why they tell us we know now? After all, with the user, he said if it crashes today, hope you have a real life hustle to fall back on. Stop trolling and start building your empire. Abi, you two no one buy house ni cruise. Now,
so she dey catch cruise indirectly.
Some at every given point when her fellow housemate do something, she always come up with like okay, you do this me too don't fair one, you get. Like you don't necessarily need to do that.
She get complex problem. You know, you get some kind of way we say anything where somebody where they know do.
Yeah.
It could make them feel like say they never achieve anything or they know they progress, so they go try to remain relevant. Make everybody know. Me say they do something. See, not every way is for social media. Now somebody if you put say I don't buy a house, you know me say you pay cash for anything 100%.
Be long term.
Sometimes if it be say the property company sign as ambassador, and some of this ambassador deal, they go tell you say this house now 70 million. But if you want sign your ambassador deal, then like 20 million won't pay you.
Yeah.
So what you go do be say we'll give you this house.
Yeah.
Your ambassador deal will come out and inside. Then we'll
maybe like 10 million, 8 million.
We'll come spread the remaining payment for the next 10 years
or
5 years. So when the person
they show 10 years.
They do it depends. It depends if you do 10 years, 5 years. Now when they spread the payment, the person will get the house no will come give you the information for social media.
See
they spread the payment to
but we up and ask
see my house. You understand? So many ways they buy this house. So don't be say when somebody can't do something, rejoice with somebody if they do something.
Or just shut up.
At least when she trademark her boss lady, the people no shoot their mouth onto her boss lady trade.
You know that kind of thing. You know.
Abi.
Team boss.
Maybe she want to
No,
team boss.
Okay,
our own
yeah,
people,
nobody's
our own set, when they talk.
So everything don't be as it be. I know celebrities wey don put car for Instagram wey they don't buy, but they still dey pay small.
Small.
You
Yes,
understand? So,
now.
but your point is that they don't buy and they get agreement and all. I mean, you must get to some level of credibility before this will give you that kind of facility.
Yeah.
So, make us know they jealous. When I see Lenga, she post the house, I have people, but the first thing come around and say, if he be 100% cash, if he be 100% cash, she don't sign a number of endorsement deals anyway.
Yeah.
I should win some money for the house.
Yeah.
So who's to say maybe not be a personal money? And all this endorsement deal, we don't know how much they pay them anyway. So, but if somebody get progress, rejoice. Which one be say I build my house when I did? You go carry me go house, come back.
School
The same
fees.
way where this one go do.
And school fees.
And I get
for
school fees,
children.
I get
You
other
get
things.
other
to do.
things.
So at the end of the day, as long as I get car where they comfortable and they inside the AC they work, they do wetin that your 10 million naira car go do. I don't get problem. Now if you come buy 10 million naira, I know come they say, hey yeah. So Mister I get car. I rejoice with you. I drive my
Simple,
own.
yeah.
You know, I know somebody wey be say once him come your house like this.
They
Okay,
look
give
wetin you
example
buy.
now, like God if I come your house now, I see your big screen TV. I could come say, hey, I get this kind of TV. In fact, now two I get. One day for parlor, one day for inside room. For what now? Waiting like they try proof. Say wetin happen.
People dey like that.
Not how people they get complex problem. They feel
They're in competition at every given moment. And as human being, if you get those people around you, try your problem to avoid them because sometimes they think you should do some necessary.
As you talk